It's a cold winter's day, and it's been snowing. Digley is making sure everyone is nice and warm by putting their woolly hats on. One for Bump, and one for Daisy. Oh no! The hat doesn't fit Daisy, but she's so excited to play in the snow that she leaves without it. Wow! It's very cold today. Daisy is a bit chilly. Everyone is having so much fun. Well, not everyone. Amber is trapped by the snow. Not to worry, the gang are here to save the day. Whoa! That was a big sneeze, Daisy. She's feeling a little bit poorly. Bump is clearing the way. Oops! Oh dear! Daisy is very cold and not feeling well at all. Poor Daisy. Nope. Amber says she needs to get some rest. They can finish the job tomorrow. Daisy is warming up by the fire and is feeling a little bit better now. Mrs. Skip has an idea. She's going to knit some new hats for the gang. Wow, what a lovely hat. Daisy is feeling much better now. She's had some rest and a new hat is keeping her warm. Go on, Daisy. She is back to her usual self. Hooray!